All right, so it's the next day. Clearly I have a different outfit on because it took a little bit longer than I like to process this vacuum pallet. So I'm going to go through all the specifications on how much I paid for it and then how much money did I actually make out of this direct liquidation vacuum pallet. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so this is a direct liquidation vacuum pallet with 86 separate vacuums in it, Black & Decker, customer returns. That's questionable. Paid $3.99, shipping was $212.45 for a total investment of $611.45. Basically, it averaged out to about $7.11 per item. It was an auction-style purchase, 21 separate bids. I thought I did my homework, but I've never bought small appliances from direct liquidation before, and so this was kind of a first-time buy for me to see how well I did. When I looked at the pallet, it looked amazing. Everything was in really nice-looking boxes. I thought, oh, that's going to be a quick and easy flip. Everything can go to Amazon. Wrong answer. Let me show you why. Look over here. This, after processing the pallet, is mostly what I'm left with. So, me being the money finder that I am, found a way to make this into actual cash. So, of all of the 86 vacuums, these 15 are actually going to be on Merchant Fulfill on Amazon, but I listed them as used. I think to buy a brand new one of these ones, it's $38. These were not used, but they would simply be missing like the wall hanging bracket or the screw and bolt package or a filter. And so I was able to find brand new ones out of that pile and make a full box that's in good condition. I did test each and every one of these, which was why it was so time consuming. But of these 15 on Merchant Fulfill after fees, I'll be able to make about $13 a piece on them, which comes out to $195 for Merchant Fulfill Amazon ones. And I feel pretty comfortable with the condition of all of those things. And they are listed as used. And then I had this vacuum. That was a really nice looking vacuum, but there was no way for me to really know what good condition it was in, even when I tested it and it did turn on. Like some of these do turn on. Let me see if I can get this one to go. Some of these do turn on. Oh, that one doesn't. And so, but they don't stay running long. And so I don't know if that's the issue or not. And so I don't really want to send these into Amazon and jeopardize my Amazon account. But the one bonus was the cable for those and the cable for the leftover ones there. I was able to find on Amazon. I couldn't find it at first. I was going to put it on eBay, list it for about $10 after fees, make about $3. But when I was looking at the box, it said for replacement parts, go to blackanddecker.com. And then you could just type in the model number of the vacuum and find the actual part number. And so with that part number, I was able to find it on Amazon Seller Central. And now I can send basically all of those cords to Amazon Seller Central, as well as I did find these on Amazon and was able to list these. Let me see how many, 6 vacuums were in decent condition, so I was able to list those on FBA as well. So my FBA listings with all of those things came out to $531, which makes an 88 cents. So $726.88 is what I'm going to make with my Merchant Fulfill and my FBA. I paid $611.45, as you can see over here. So my total profit and lots of work and my own lesson learned will be $115.43 of positive profit, but I found a way to make it work. You can also sell some of the other accessories, but they just weren't worth my time. I want to get this pallet out of here, throw all the useless stuff away and move on with my life. I definitely have learned my lesson on this vacuum pallet. Yes, I did come out in positive money, but mainly it's because I got very creative in learning that I can sell the parts to the pieces, and charging cords are always something that sell well. If you can't find them on Amazon, a lot of times you can find them on eBay and sell them there. So hopefully it's been interesting. and helpful to find out how you can sell small appliances and what you can do with them. Now, I could piece out more of them if I had the time, but I want to move on to another palette. Also, if you haven't seen my candy palette one, I'll tag it at the end of this video. That one's really fun and crazy. And if you are interested in any of the candy, you can check the link below. I have some of my candy boxes available for sale. They're really, really fun, and you can see exactly what the condition of everything is with that palette unboxing. So hopefully it's been helpful to see a direct liquidation vacuum palette. How much I actually made, $115.43 should be my profit of customer returns. And I said maybe on customer returns, I would say most of these should have been put in a salvage lot. That's my personal opinion on all of these vacuums. A lot of them had pet hair in them, dust in them. They had been used. They were broken. There's no way that they should have been in a customer returns. But I'm just learning liquidation and small appliances from liquidation and understanding that that's probably the condition that they put them in. They don't inspect them as much as other liquidator companies. So lesson learned. I know for the future, and I probably won't bid so high on an auction of small appliances anymore, and it won't be fooled by the nice looking boxes. Hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.